Hi, everybody. Well, today the pollens were up into the slight category, but not too far. And tomorrow, even less so, primarily because of this cold front coming in and the rain we're expecting to come along with that. Now, on Wednesday, things will dry out, and once again, the pollens may be up and flying around a little bit, but you may get a little bit of relief, especially tomorrow, if you don't mind relief in the form of some windy conditions and some rain and maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well. So let's take a look at the clouds and the radar, and we can see here, I mentioned earlier how this looks worse than it really is. This looks like we're just getting a whole torrential rainfall here coming up out of the south, but that really is not the case. What's happening is we've gotten a few sprinkles. I mentioned this during the early news. We had the potential for a few sprinkles during the nighttime tonight, and that's what happened, just enough to make those windshield wipers every once in a while flip back and forth. But here we start to see right here, this is the leading edge of that cold front that's going to be coming in, and that is going to bring the change. This is not what I call the cold front, and I'll talk more about that as we get further into autumn, but at one point or another, we're going to get that one cold front that comes through that just changes everything. This is not the one. Now, we take a look at the Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker, see just a little bit of a return here, down into Lawrence County, into Knox County, a little bit here into Vigo County and Park County. Just some very, very light rain, a few sprinkles. Again, just a little flip-flap of a windshield wiper, sometimes a little bit more, but that's about it. And so no big heavy rain going on for us tonight. Now, as we get closer to morning, maybe a little more of a rainfall, but right now in the short term, that's not going to happen. So 71 degrees is the current temperature. Actually, that's a little bit warm for this time of, this time of night, this time of year. Average high is 76. Average low is about 50. So we're going to be looking at a warmer than average temperature overnight. Paris has 70, Rockville 69, Robinson 70, and Linton has 75, Bloomington 69 degrees, and Albany at 72, Effingham 71, Flores 71, and Mattoon 67. Paris has 70. Everybody has a cloudy sky, however, and dew points are up, and that's why it feels a little bit muggy. Have you noticed that? It just a little kind of muggy out there tonight. 65 degrees is the dew point, Rockville 69, Paris 63, Robinson 65. What this also tells us is that we're charging the atmosphere to the point where we're going to have enough moisture in the air to make some rain when that cold front comes in. So here's 7 o'clock in the morning. We have a few little areas of rain in the morning, and then we get into 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's when we have the possibility of rain, and then this cold front goes through, and as that cold front goes through, we have the possibility of showers, maybe a few thunder showers. A couple of things will happen. When this cold front goes through, it will become windy. We'll have rain before that, then the wind picks up, and by this time tomorrow night, I can tell you it will not be 71 degrees. So mostly cloudy, some spotty light rain is possible tonight, 63 for the overnight low. Showers and storms not as warm tomorrow, high of 77. Mostly cloudy, windy and cooler tomorrow night, 53 for the overnight low. And then on Wednesday, high of 71. And then temperatures below average as we get into the latter part of the week, maybe another chance of rain on Sunday.